Kublai pi perlok ki bape ya kani ke video ha kani ke video ngan ai update piang ya pi sepang kani ke CM scholarship namar ba ngayo i pun ki ba comments dang la ane em ban apply ya kani ke scholarship menta te perlok saya pi ya kani ke video hadu bakut kenang mapin yo ya kata ka jing tip dan ni ke jing to sepang kani ka CM scholarship te perlok kumba pilih i hang ne ba ya ka application jong kani ke scholarship kila open na do ka tarik yong September hado live tarik yong September kata kemutang si benai te ya kabamenta pimla suban apply ya kani scholarship namar kala good date te ha kapor bang apmi kong ya kani ka video sepang kani scholarship kerang bon kata kapor ban apply ya kani scholarship Henry ki bayo i bar ki bape ya kata ka video ha kapor bang apmi video no kong sepang kani ka CM scholarship ki claim share saki perlu jong ki dena kata ka download sibon kita ki students ki bempat benar dan ki bempat tip sak pang kani ka CM scholarship bat kido bahaya kata kajing mentoy na kani ka scholarship te snya bha perlok saya share be ya ki video ki bang apit mi kham tam sa phang ka scholarship ki ba aji mentoy na bata ki student jongi ma perlok te don ro ki ba kali ba lanongin yo ya kani ka ba scholarship jong kani ka CM scholarship ho oi don sibun kita ki perlok ki ba apply ya kani ka scholarship but ECM badan bro ila de pentip sapang kani ka CM scholarship sapang kani ka ba scholarship te kinsa pesang be ban pin kloy ban pin yo ya kani ka ba scholarship haswa jong ka Christmas te yang ina ska menta ya kani ka jing update ha ka bay dai jong ka scholarship na ECM kandrat ki songma
that we have decided and we have tied up with Government of India that we will be releasing the scholarship money in advance from the state side, and we will not wait for Government of India to release the amount, and whenever the money comes in, it will be put back into our account. The system has been created, and the most important part, we can clap after that, is that we'll be releasing it before Christmas. So we'll ensure that before Christmas, the CM scholarship, which we are just finalizing, we had anticipated about 70,000 students, but you'll be surprised to know that we got 1 lakh applicants. So we are just screening through the whole process. We should be able to finalize that within a few weeks' time. So when that is done, so the CM scholarship that we have announced will also be released before Christmas, and the scholarship from central government, which comes in at a 90-10 ratio, that also in advance before receiving the funds from central government, we will release the funds from our side. So I would want to share that with you, and I hope that will help the students who require that financial support, and more importantly, motivate you to work harder and to study more in a much more committed way.
Te kuma pilih asnyo ya katu kajing keren jong isi ambadan berom jongi te saya update hadu ba kin release ya kani ka ba scholarship te ngikremen ya kani ka jingkren jong ECM badan berom ba kan urlong kata ka bakin penlaj ya kani ka ba scholarship haswa jong ka Christmas mo namar ba kani kan yarap ya ki kena bakin yo ya kata ka ba scholarship ha kata ka por bakin yo ban pedan kam ha kajinon kam jogi kam tam haswa jong ka Christmas mo te tangkap ta perlok saya share kani ka video kenang baki bero kin yo jing mentol lang ba kani ka video but like ya kani ka video but klik pa subscribe tada pin pada pa subscribe kenang bapin yo isu ya ki chat video ki ba ya dei bat ki scholarship bat ki be ki cing tim ki badan kam na beta jong pi te ku bless you bon ini sejam pan ha ka video